and the ambiguity prevails at the spur of the moment.
So when they have that sort of cognitive mixing, is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extremities between emotions. So you're looking at euphoria and dysphoria.
Influence. Now, subliminal in and of itself is information that bypasses below the psychological threshold. So you may look at, let's say, a prime example is a FedEx logo. Yeah, empathy, of course. Yeah. And empathy is one of those things I spend extensive time researching in terms of, and I publish a number of different papers. So far, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Self-explanatory. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Persuasion.